Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of 0, but what stands out is that momentum has surged to plus 0.44 over the last 24 hours. This disconnect between sentiment and momentum is noteworthy. While sentiment remains neutral, the upward momentum suggests a brewing shift that could catch many off guard. Our API provides real-time sentiment analysis, returning not just a score, but also insights into 19 distinct semantic clusters that help you understand the underlying themes driving this momentum. You could leverage this data to adjust your trading strategies, identifying opportunities where momentum is building despite stagnant sentiment. This could be your edge in capitalizing on shifts before they become widely recognized. For detailed implementation, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.